In order to take our next data collection point, we must remove the next 5 beads. To do this, we will first unscrew the string from its post, slide 5 of the beads off the string, replace them in their box, and replace the string on the post. For this, we have a mark that we've made for the first 105 beads so that we can ensure that the length of the string is the same for each data collection. And we'll replace the string at that same point each time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We always begin counting at 0 and continue counting until 20 oscillations have been measured. This number allows us to decrease the overall error in the time measured for a single period. Once you've finished stringing all of the beads, tie a large knot around the bottom of the string. You may need to tie several knots to ensure that none of the beads will fall off. Here, I've tied 4 knots to ensure this. You can also test it with 1 bead and pull to make sure it will not come through. We will cut this tip later to ensure that there is no extra air resistance. We've also strung the beads onto this spool of string. This ensures that we won't run out of string and that we have the correct amount. We will pull this through and then cut the top of the string about here to ensure that there's lots of extra room in case something needs to be adjusted. For this experiment, we're stringing wooden beads onto a piece of string. Some of the beads, however, have wooden blockage still inside their hole. To fix this, we put a shoestring through the hole and push it through the other side. We will then pull the bead through the shoestring, making sure that we clear all of the blockage. We'll then place it on the string. Some of the string can become frayed at the top. To fix this, we will take scissors and cut off the very tip part. This will allow for the string to be pushed through more easily and quickly. 12, 13,
Swaying with the beads can improve the accuracy of timing, so you know exactly when to stop. Theory based on rigid bead arrays agrees with experiment to within 2%. For 1 bead being so light, we do need to account for the mass of the string, and when we have lots of beads, we have to account for flexibility. Using the hanging chain model, we find that the 2% error otherwise found is corrected. Here, Chloe is dramatically illustrating that the bead array is not rigid but flexible.
After you finish the lab, you can also create fun necklaces or bracelets.